Hello, my name is Nazrin and I am a professional learning facilitator. A professional learning facilitator is someone who works in learning and development and helps people to learn by making things easy to understand, making things easy to do. So if you want to be able to cascade knowledge to within your organization and you want to learn how to do it the best way possible, the most efficient, the most sustainable, so that not only do people remember, they can actually apply in the workplace. So one of the many things you can learn is learning facilitation. So we will be running a learning program called the Professional Learning Facilitator, where you can learn to be like me, where you will learn how to create for yourself a learning philosophy where you will continuously learn. You will learn how to excite the senses, because that is how we get into our participants, into our learners' heads to be able to give them education. You will learn how to ask the right questions to help people think. You will learn how to respect all opinions so that you create a safe space, a safe learning environment for the participants. And you will also learn how to narrate, how to use storytelling to help people understand the context of the content that you are sharing with them. So if you are interested to become a professional learning facilitator and join thousands of other PLFs from around the world, then sign up for the course today. I'll see you in class.